How to share a location on Google Street View. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to share any place or location on Street View, just go to the app. Now choose the location on the map. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and choose any place from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this, and now let's say that you want to share this one right here. All what you have to do is click on it and click here on this little icon, as you can see. Now after you click, all what you have to do now is choose where you want to share it: WhatsApp, Facebook, or Messenger, Instagram, and many other options. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.